Hello, I'm Anna from Astral Hygiene. Today I want to talk to you about the crackers that we sell here, so Christmas crackers. Christmas is almost upon us and we have made a decision to only sell sustainably manufactured crackers that are FSC approved and that are environmentally friendly here at Astral Hygiene. All of our crackers are plastic free, and we have made that decision because sustainability and saving our planet and doing our bit and just looking after the world that we live in is so important to us here at Astral Hygiene. Everybody that works here, myself, the management team, everybody is very passionate about making sure that we as a business are doing everything that we can to limit the impact that our actions have on the planet and the legacy that we leave behind. So if you want to go to our website, and you'll find our crackers at www.astralhygiene. If you go to the paper products section and then go down to napkins, and the Christmas crackers are all sat in there, where now we've eradicated all crackers that have any plastic in them, anything that's going to be leaving behind anything that takes a long time to biodegrade or compost, and we've replaced them with craft crackers with no plastic that bind them. They still have, a hat, a joke, and a gift of some sort. So in our crackers we're giving out Christmas tree decorations, and we're also giving out biodegradable stickers. So they're still fun, they're still competitively priced, they're still, a Christmas cracker, they still bang, etc. They give you everything that you would expect from a Christmas cracker. However, you will not get anything that will damage the planet, anything that will leave a legacy behind, any plastics that's going to end up in our seas, anything that is going to damage our planet, you won't find in our Christmas crackers. If you have followed Astral Hygiene for a while, you'll know that sustainability and environmentally sustainable products are at the core of what we do. We are working towards becoming an entirely sustainable business. We have a carbon neutral headquarters. We only supply paper products from sustainable forests. We only supply chemicals that are EU accredited. So we have worked really hard to get to this point, and we're delighted to bring sustainably manufactured in the UK. Our crackers are all manufactured in the UK without plastic and that are environmentally friendly, and you'll find them on our website. I'll pop a link below. Thanks so much. Bye.